Hello friends, welcome. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is uses of Amla or Embolica officinale. Embolica officinale is a very useful fruit, especially in diseases like diabetes, pitta diseases, any blood related impurities are there. That time this is very useful, and especially more useful as immunity enhancer and rejuvenative tonic. So first we'll talk about rejuvenation use. You can make a mixture for increasing your rejuvenation. In that mixture, take Amla Embolica officinale, giloy sattva, the essence of giloy, and the gokru churna. Gokru is also another Ayurvedic medicine, gokshur. So that churna or the powder you take, all these three powder in equal quantity, and then have just 1/4 teaspoon with jaggery. It will be very useful to subside pitta in body, subside any heat in the body, and very good for immunity enhancing purpose. Other uses, you can have the juice of amla, and 1 or 2 drop you just put in the oils, the pure filtered juice of amla. It will be useful to cleanse the eyes. Other use is for hairs. You can take a dry amla and mehndi powder. Both of this thing you put in water whole night and then make paste, and then just apply on the hair. For some time you keep this paste on the hair and then wash it. It will be useful for hair problems, especially the graying of hairs. Other uses take fruits of amla dry forms, and then the dhania seeds. Dhania is also another medicine for pitta problem. It is very good. So dhania seeds and amla, this both you put in the water whole night, and then morning you just filter this water and drink. So this drinking of this water is very useful, especially burning sensation in urination and burning sensation in the body. It will be very effective. Want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city? Then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. You want to take care of your own and your family people's health. For that purpose only we have made an online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the book. Get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.